This is the session on DC power and on-site generation. And I have to confess, I took over the moderator role from Casey a few weeks ago, and I didn't really understand what the mix of the topic was, so I thought it was all about DC power. And then I got to looking at the presentations, and the one that came in from Syracuse University was just really cool because it got into all kinds of areas on top of DC power. So you'll want to hear that talk. It's really good. So I'm Bill Chudy from Lawrence Berkeley Lab, and we've been involved with this topic of DC power for a number of years. We first got interested in it when we were looking at the efficiency of power conversions in data centers, and primarily UPS system power conversions and power supply conversions. And one of our EPRI partners at the time suggested that we could eliminate some of those conversions if we went straight in with DC power. And the idea gelled a little bit with that, and we found out real quickly that there was a whole industry group that was interested in seeing that go forward. So we've been following this for a number of years. We had a demonstration a few years ago at Sun Microsystems with a lot of the major industry players. Intel and Sun were the major providers of the equipment. And since that time, we've had a couple of issues that we wanted to work on. One was connectors, making sure there's a way to have a standard connector for a computer. Voltage ranges, making sure that the industry was not going off in divergent areas on voltage ranges. And also address issues of things like safety and codes and standards and so forth. So we've been working with this for a number of years, and we had now a demonstration project that's in progress with UC San Diego. And our first speaker is Greg Hidley, who's the UC San Diego person that's making this happen. And I'm going to introduce Greg right now to talk about the demonstration that's going on as we speak.